Hi everyone, welcome to the series of my grammar classes. Let us start active and passive voice today. In grammar, voice is the form of a verb that shows whether the subject is the doer or the recipient of the action. If the subject is the doer, the verb is in the active voice. If something happens to the subject, the verb is in the passive voice. Let us see an example now. The boy opens the door. The verb is active here. The verb is passive in the door is opened by a boy. So what is meant by a subject? Subject is a person or a thing that is being discussed, that is being described or dealt with. If the subject is doing an action, then the object is receiving an action. Let us see an example now. So Tom is the subject here, washes is the verb here, and the car is the object. Tom is doing the action here and the car is receiving an action. Object is the answer to the question what is the action done and to whom is the action done. Let us see another example. She writes a letter and he washes the car. Passive voice is formed from the be form of the verb and also the past participle of the verb. So examples for be forms are is, are, was, where, etc. Past participle means B3. For example, spoken, written, read. All those things are examples for past participle. So here is an example for passive voice. Is opened, are being written, has been spotted, will be played. And intransitive verbs such as come, appear, rise, live, die, belong or happen has no passive forms. So when we are converting active into passive, the subject of the active voice will become the object of the passive voice and the object of the active voice will become the subject of the passive voice. Let us see an example now. Vaine cleans the clothes. Vaine is the subject here. Cleans is the simple present tense and the clothes is the object. When we are converting active into passive voice, the object of the active voice will become the subject of the passive voice and cleans will become are cleaned, that is be plus past participle, and the subject of the active voice will become the object of the passive voice. So let us convert active voice into passive voice in simple present tense. Tom washes the car. Tom is the subject here, washes is the verb and the car is the object. So when we are converting active into passive voice, the object of the active voice will become the subject of the passive voice. Here the car is the subject of the passive voice and is washed is the verb, that is be plus B3. Then Tom is the subject of the active voice and it becomes the object of the passive voice. So likewise we can see other examples also. Everyone admires our principal. Our principal is admired by everyone. Let us move to the next example also. We see coconut trees in Kerala. Coconut trees are seen in Kerala. Otherwise we can say coconut trees are seen by us in Kerala. By us is not compulsory. If you want we can write, otherwise we can leave it. Let us see another rule, active into passive voice in the presence of present continuous tense. So present continuous tense means be the form of present continuous tense is be plus verb plus ing. So how to convert active into passive while the tense is present continuous, okay? Tom is washing the car. Tom is the subject, is washing is the verb and the car is the object. So let us convert Tom is washing the car into passive voice. The car is being washed by Tom. So if ing is coming means we have to use being plus B3. when we convert active into passive voice. I am reading a novel is being read by me. They are playing cricket. Cricket is being played by them. The form of present perfect tense is has or have plus V3. V3 means past participle. While we convert active into passive voice in present perfect tense, there are some rules. I will explain that now. Tom has washed the car. Tom is the subject. Has washed is the verb and the car is the object. When we are converting Tom has washed the car into passive voice, the car has been washed by Tom. So, has or have plus V3 means when we are converting it into passive voice, it will become has been, have or has been plus V3. So, the car has been washed by Tom. They have finished the work has been finished by them. She has written short stories have been written by her. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you, have a nice day.